Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub, and in this video I'll be doing a speed test between OPPO A3s and the Realme 2. Now these are the specifications and these are the benchmark scores. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast the phone actually is. In the speed test, both phones were performing equally good, but comparatively, Realme 2 was slightly faster. That's probably because of additional RAM on Realme 2. Now for the memory management test, as OPPO A3s has just 2GB of RAM, I will reopen the first 8 applications and then open them in the reverse order to see which of these apps are still in memory. If an application is still in memory, it will open instantly in a split second. Or else you'll probably see a blank screen for a few seconds. In the memory management round, Realme 2 was able to keep more apps in memory than OPPO A3s. Now that's to be expected as Realme 2 already has 3GB of RAM, while the OPPO A3s that I have just has 2GB of RAM. Now for the gaming speed test, I'll open the last 8 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster.